was a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home. There is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color of green. The ground had rose and past its knees. By the cracks of his skin I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the guys came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on to me. Held on as tightly as you held on to me.
Struggling up with a last strength she drove her sword between crown and mantle as the great shoulders plunged before her. The sword broke sparkling into many shards, the crown rolled away with a clang. Eowyn fell forward upon the hall of Forester. Shapeless they lay now on the ground, torn and tumbled, and the cry went to a shrill wailing, passing on the wind, a voice bodiless and thin that dark